Give your project superpowers with these top picks guaranteed to save you time and take your work to new levels. Join me as I dive into the magic of these must-have Blender power-ups. With the right add-ons, you'll transform from artist to creative sorcerer in no time. Level up now and boost your Blender mastery. I've organized the add-ons alphabetically rather than ranking them, since they all excel for different tasks. Make sure to check the video description for links to download each add-on. Animating characters used to be excruciating. Endless hours fiddling with bones, constraints, and controls. That is, until Auto Rig Pro came to the rescue. With its magic powers, Auto Rig Pro slingshots the once tedious process into hyperdrive. This phenomenal add-on brings automation to character rigging, freeing you from the shackles of manual toil. With just a few clicks, your models are imbued with skeletons that move with uncanny fluidity. Customizing your rig is a cinch with Auto Rig Pro's incredibly intuitive interface. Effortlessly add, remove, or tweak any part of your auto-generated rig. But Auto Rig Pro doesn't stop there. It also blesses your characters with superpowers like stretchy limbs, mesh deformation, and unbreakable joints. Your characters will bend, twist, and contort with incredible realism. Retargeting animations is a total breeze too, so kiss clunky rigging goodbye and say hello to animation hyperdrive. With Auto Rig Pro, you'll pump out vivid character animations faster than ever. Let this add-on hero swoop in to save you from rigging monotony. The power is yours. Unleash it with Auto Rig Pro. Bag of Pie modifier brings the spice your projects need. This mega add-on packs a punch with its smorgasbord of modeling and animation superpowers. With just one click, scatter objects randomly, populate architectural designs, and array complex models. Hard surface modeling becomes a breeze with Bag of Pie's extensive toolset. Watch your imagination unfold as you experiment with endless preset shapes and deformers. And if that's not enough, Bag of Pie Assets provides the ingredients to cook up even more modeling magic. Fully integrated, these additional assets amplify Bag of Pie's capabilities tenfold. Your Blender potential reaches new heights with Bag of Pie Modifier. Kiss dull and dreary projects goodbye. Immerse yourself in endless workflow possibilities. Crank your creativity up to 11 and savor the flavor Bag of Pie adds to your Blender experience. Your 3D dreams are one click away. Curvify injects your Blender projects with organic, mesmerizing motion. This Geometry Nodes add-on weaves magic through procedurally generated curves, letting you craft intricately lively landscapes, structures, and more. Curvify makes modeling hypnotically graceful structures like vines, cables, and barbed wire impossibly easy. Create undulating rivers, swirling tentacles, or rainbows that arc through the sky with surreal fluidity. Snow that blankets your scenes with powdery softness. Chains that drape and clink with convincing physics. Whether crafting fantasy realms or realistic cityscapes, Curvify empowers your world-building visions. Landscapes once static spring to life, structures gain subtle animation. Take your designs from monotonous to miraculous with entrancing motion. So step through the looking glass into a new creative dimension with Curvify, where once your 3D project stood lifeless, now they dance and sway with organic vitality. Let your imaginations unwind, and Curvify will weave your wildest ideas into mesmerizing reality. Tired of UV unwrapping and texture painting giving you a headache? Decal Machine applies the remedy, revolutionizing hard surface texturing in Blender. Forget wrestling with UV maps. This ingenious add-on lets you project details directly onto 3D surfaces. Precision has never been easier, with intuitive tools to slice, manipulate, and apply decals within viewport and real-time. Decal Machine opens up limitless non-destructive creativity. Experiment freely with no commitments. Trim sheets peel off as easily as they're applied. Atlasing and baking features make game engine exports a total breeze. Immerse your models in a world of visual intricacy, from fine wear and tear to bold graphical designs. Match materials in a snap and work in perfect synchronicity with CAD models. Decal Machine hands you the texturing tools of the future. Kiss texture frustration goodbye today. With Decal Machine, no surface is safe from your detailing creativity. Carve, chisel, and tailor your models down to the finest details. Unleashed from old workflows at last, a texturing revolution awaits. HardOps isn't just another Blender add-on, it's a revolution in hard surface modeling. With its sleek and stylized interface, HardOps turns Blender into a high-tech modeling cockpit. The moment you enable HardOps, you'll feel like a pilot prepping for takeoff. Its array of buttons and menus replace Blender's default blocky icons with a modern, minimalist look. It's a facelift worthy of a sci-fi film. But HardOps doesn't just look futuristic, it models that way too. Boolean workflow finally feels frictionless, letting you cut and carve shapes with precision and ease. The famous slash and cut technique becomes a breeze. HardOps' superpowers include lightning-fast booleans, turbocharged Beziers, and instancing tools that let you duplicate and array objects on the fly. And thanks to its non-destructive capabilities, you can tweak, adjust, and experiment without fear. Your work stays safely parametric at all times. Whether you're modeling a megacity skyscraper, a sleek sports car, or a massive space cruiser, HardOps has you covered. It's loved by pros and novices alike for its elegant usability and sheer versatility. utility. Forget futzing with finicky booleans and Beziers. With Hardops, it's full speed ahead for modeling majesty. Polyhaven boasts treasure troves of thousands of meticulously crafted assets. From lush foliage to weathered stone textures, medieval castles to sci-fi spaceships, their bounty immerses you in inspiration. Their hand-tailored collection of HDRIs capture stunning photographic environments. Submerge your scenes in these breathtaking virtual locations. And thanks to Polyhaven's magical Blender add-on, accessing these riches is sublimely simple. Install once and unlock the doorway to Polyhaven's free assets right within Blender. Skip the hassle of downloads and imports. Start using these high-fidelity resources in mere seconds. Polyhaven sets your creativity free by removing the drudgery of asset creation. Focus on bringing your wildest visions to life, powered by their generosity. Both hobbyists and professionals alike will ascend new heights with these pro-grade assets. So escape asset mediocrity today. Let Polyhaven's treasures propel your Blender work to new realms of greatness. Retopologizing high-poly sculpts used to be a hair-pulling hassle. With blobs obscuring detail and finicky settings adjustments, it was a workflow riddled with frustration. But no more. Retopoflow sweeps in to revolutionize the process. This game-changing add-on transforms retopology into a streamlined, intuitive breeze. Goodbye clutter and confusion. Retopoflow mode displays your model with crystal clarity. Every plane and vertex snaps into perfect focus. Mesh details overlay seamlessly without depth or distortion. Its optimized view puts the power in your hands. Forget the endless tweaking of modifiers and snapping. Construct clean topology swiftly and precisely. Retopoflow hands you the tools to rapidly rebuild even the most complex models. Experience retopology without limits or obstacles. Let go of the headaches and unwrap the full potential of your sculpts. With Retopoflow mode's supercharged capabilities, you'll redefine models faster and more effectively than ever before. The future of retopology is here. Step into the revolution today. The real-time materials add-on swoops in to liberate your creativity from monotony. This magical library cradles over 290 materials, expertly crafted to saturate your scenes with intricacy and realism. With one click, witness the birth of elaborately textured metals, frosted glass, weathered wood, and beyond. Nodes, shaders, maps be gone. Marvel as every material comes loaded with an arsenal of customization tools.